everyone, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create or generate a QR code for a Facebook business page. Alright, so if you want to generate a QR code for a Facebook business page, it's really easy to do, and this is something that I would highly recommend you to do because you can print out this QR code and share it, not only on online platforms but also print it out and share it offline so people can just scan this QR code wherever they are with their mobile phone, and then they will take it to the Facebook page and they can follow the FB page or check out the content you share on your Facebook business page. So all you have to do is open up your Facebook page in a Chrome web browser, and then if you are using Chrome browser on your computer, then all you have to do is right click anywhere on the Facebook page. And you're gonna see create a QR code for this page. From the list here, then click here, and as you can see, Chrome will auto-generate a QR code for this Facebook page. And as you can see, the QR code will be created for this URL, which is the URL of this Facebook page, and then we can click on download here and we will download this QR code to our desktop computer, whether we use a Mac or PC, it will work. Now we can check it out. And now as you can see, it's a great QR code that we can use to scan this QR code and open up our Facebook page. So this is how to create or generate a QR code for a Facebook business page. And that's it. I hope you learned something in this video. Also, if you want to learn more about how-to tutorials about digital marketing, software, and e-commerce, make sure to check out our YouTube channel that you can see on the screen here. See you next time.